One small word quietly weakens how you sound at work. Most people say it dozens of times a day without noticing. That word is just. It slips into our sentences automatically. But in professional conversations, it can reduce the strength of what you're saying. Because just often makes your ideas sound smaller than they really are. If you want to sound more confident and authoritative, here are 3 simple shifts that help remove this habit. Point 1. Notice when just minimizes your words. People often use just to soften what they're saying. For example, I just wanted to ask a quick question, or I'm just checking in on the report. The intention is usually to sound polite, but the result is that your request sounds less important. Try removing the word completely. I wanted to ask a quick question. I'm checking in on the report. Notice how the sentence becomes clearer and more direct. Reflection. Are you softening your message or communicating it clearly? Point 2. Replace just with purpose. Sometimes we use just because we feel the need to justify speaking up. But confident communicators speak with purpose. Instead of saying, I just wanted to share an idea, try, I have an idea to share. Or instead of, I'm just following up, say, I'm following up on the proposal. Removing just makes your words sound intentional rather than hesitant. Reflection. Do your words sound purposeful or apologetic? Point 3. Stay polite without shrinking your words. Some people worry that removing just will make them sound harsh. But politeness doesn't require minimizing your words. You can stay respectful while still being clear. For example, instead of, I just wanted to ask if you had time to review this, try, could you review this when you have a moment? The tone stays polite, but the message remains confident. Respect and clarity can exist at the same time. Reflection. Are you being polite or unintentionally weakening your message? Just may seem like a small word. But small words shape how people perceive your confidence. Start noticing when it appears in your sentences. Remove it when it weakens your message. Replace it with clear, purposeful language. Because authority isn't about using bigger words. It's about removing the ones that quietly reduce your impact.